Hello and welcome to Chirag Yugabyte tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure and access the Yugabyte DB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we will go through the step-by-step process for the installation and configuration and access for this database. So first question is that what is a Yugabyte database? So Yugabyte database is the open source distributed SQL database that is the PostgreSQL compatible. So this is called the YSQL. So YSQL means the Yugabyte SQL and also offer the Cassandra-like API YCQL. So and uh, this is support both relational SQL workloads and scalable low latency key value workloads. It's provide the horizontal scale high availability using the Raft replication and global deployments across the zone region. So why we choose the Yugabyte DB? So database perspective, we were talking about that. So Postgres compatible use the existing PostgreSQL driver tools and SQL features. Distributed ACID transaction with the Raft transaction for the resilience and automatic failover. Dual API pick YSQL for the relational workflow joins ACID store process and YCQL for the low latency key value style workloads. So good for the global and multi-region apps, microservices and migrating Postgres app needing scale. So key and the ports important for the firewall and remote access. So YQL Postgres protocol default port is a 5433 and default port 5433 and Yogabyte user 5433 by default and 5432 port is the PostgreSQL database port and YCQL Cassandra like default port is 9042 and admin usage so we can access through the 7000 port for YB master and YB test UI 9000 and YB UI using the 15433. So this is the access port. So now I'll go through the quick prerequisites on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and run as the sudo where we need it. So we need a Ubuntu server. My Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. This is my Ubuntu server. I'm going to access this server. CMD SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. So this is the IP and username password. While installing my Ubuntu server, I have given the username password. So tonight, why? Okay, username is wrong. DPT. It's clear. So first, I'll just update and upgrade my system packages. So let it complete. Then we'll install the basic tool Python helper. So Yogabyte docs require the Python through point of the Python 3. So we'll go through the Python is a Python 3. So run this command. And next, set the ulimit and we can later we can go through that one. So download and install. So open create a folder OPT and give the ownership to user. So done. Now I'm going to download this with the wget and Yogabyte 2025 1.2.1 and this the file. We start downloading. Then extract with the file and go inside that. So extract that and go inside of that. Now I'm going to install the post install. Done. Okay, install pass. So start as a single node. So directly I'm starting with a single node. Just change the IP if you want to access through the IP address. So starting, and I will stop the Yugabyte, and I will show you the with the IP. So let it start. So Yugabyte started UI. So this is the details about the Yugabyte. So status is running and all the things are there. Now I'm going to stop this. So stop. Now I'll just running with the IP address. So done. So on Linux, if you need to backup daemon enable, so you can go through this. Now I'm not going through that one. So we have run that. I'll show you. So our system, our this one is running. So let me open with this, and there is a port number. So this is the URL. So this is the Yogabyte. Go to the databases. We don't have any databases, and other details you will get. So this is the Y logo is there. So we have accessed this. So now we are moving to the next. So verify the cluster. So now let me log into this. So before that, again I will stop the Yogabyte, and I will start with the local. 5433 Yogabyte 1 2. Okay, we have to start again. So I'm starting with. Then we will just access the database. So accessible. So slash L. So it will just support the Postgres command. So you can go through the commands also. Now I'm going to exit from this, and I'm going to install the this one Postgres client. So install the Postgres client. Then we'll access through the PSQL. So I'm able to access with the PSQL also. So, so access is done, and we can access through the this one browser also. Now exit. Move to the next commands. So make Yogabyte start and boot on system D. So we'll use the services. So let me change the group and all the things. Now give the permission, ownership, and create a file, and I'll create the service file. With the service file, I'll run this. So this is the service command. So now we'll reload the daemon and we'll check the status. So active and running. Our service is active and running on the services. Okay. So next, allow the firewall ports. So you want to access from the outside, so you have to allow the firewall ports, and I'm enabling this. So allow this. These are the ports from anywhere. So this is done. For the remote access to the workload, so what I'll do, I'll stop this one. I'll initiate one more. I'll show you how to initiate that. So I'll remove all the things, stop and remove the var. Now I'm going to start with the trace cluster. Let it start. So after that, we can connect with this. So done, started. Now let me connect with this. So password is Yugabyte. Let me check. Okay, we are able to access this one. So password is Yugabyte. So now I'll create a database demo. So then this Yugabyte changed to demo, just like a PostgreSQL. You can see this one. I'm creating a table and inserting data. So now select extract from customers. So there is a two names are there, Chirag and Sanju, Ranchi, Jamshedpur. So data is coming. So we can able to see the data. So now I'm going to open, if you want to connect with the this one PG admin, then you can also connect with the PG admin. So now I'm to PG admin. So I'll show you how to connect. The port number is changed only, remaining all the things are you can use the same. So let it open. Meanwhile, just open this. So refresh. So you can see the demo database is there. So here we can access this. So now let it connect. So we have done all the things. So master port 7000. Let me open with the 7000 also. 192.168.136.128 colon 7000. So working, and one is 9000. This is also working. Okay, let it open. So we can connect with the this one PG admin 4. So just like this one, this database is follow the PG admin. So we can go connect with the PG admin 4 also. So we have completed all the things. I'll show you the connection later. So install and configure the Yugabyte on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and we can access through the remote CLI and GUI. So all the process are there. So let it open. It will take few seconds. Now go to the server. Right, cancel this. Right click on the server. Create. No, register server and give the name YB Yugabyte. Go to the connection, put the IP 192.168.136.128, and this port number is 3, and username and password I am using the same. Maintenance database, okay, this one, and password this, and click on save. So here you can get, let me expand this. Go to the demo. Inside the demo, there is a customers, and right click on customer. Go to view and allow rows. So all the details are coming. Whatever the details we are getting here, the details are coming. So in this video, we have learned how to install and configure Yugabyte database on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and disclaimer is there. All trademarks, logos, and names belong to their respective owners. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe for the free tutorial learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag Tutorial. Thank you.